go to your Play Store and then open Play Store and search for navigation gestures and then install this app. So we wait for it to be installed. After it's installed, open it and access some accessibility settings on access some permissions. Put your password if you use one, and then go to the settings. You're gonna go to settings, go to your phone settings for the settings to be activated. So go to your settings in the phone, go down, click on about phone, tap on build number several times until you are a developer. Then you have a new option called developer options. Click on that, go down, go to USB debugging. It'll be disabled first of all. You need to enable it again. It'll be disabled in the first place. Now go to your navigation gestures app and then click on hide navigation bar. Click on grant. Now go to computer and go to the ADB file. I mean the ADB folder which you have in your local C drive. So open the ADB folder. Right click on any empty space and click on open command window here. So in ADB we have to type ADB devices to make sure our device is shown. As you can see, that is my device. So after shown, type this command ADB shell pm grant com.xda.nobar android dot permission permission dot write secure settings. Click enter, and this will be in the description box below. Disable the battery optimization, then go just leave all the settings. Now go to hide navigation bar. Your navigation bar will be hidden. Click on enable gesture appeal. Go to gestures, build gestures, swipe, then swipe up should to go back. I mean home, sorry. And then as you can see, it works properly. As you can see, I'm going to show you an example. Sorry guys. I'm going to try on Google Play Store. I mean Google Chrome. See, it works. As you can see, I'm going to try on settings. As you can see, it works properly. So guys, thanks for watching this video.